Hi guys, today we'll be teaching you how to make use of FedEx to create a shipping label. Stay tuned and we'll be giving you a detailed walkthrough on how you can start it and finish it at the lowest cost. The first thing you do is to go to Google on your web browser and search FedEx Ship Manager. So when you put that in, it should take you to this page. You just click on FedEx Ship Manager, and if you already have an account, just log in. I have an account, so I'll be logging in, but you don't actually need to log in or sign up to create a shipping label. You can just create as a guest. I'll be showing that in another video. Okay, so when you come in, you click on shipping. Go to shipping. You should see create a shipment. Then you click on create a shipment. Then it should take you down to this page. So if you already have an account, your shipping address would always be the ship from. But if you don't have an account, you can just edit it and put in your actual information. So I already have an account, so I clear out my own information, and I'm going to put it in the information of the pseudo account or the pseudo person I'm trying to, because these names are not real. Most of these names I got them on ChatGPT. So So after inputting all the details for the person who is shipping the item, you would move to the next stage, which is deliver to, and you input those details as well. Contact name, the phone number, the address. If it's a company, you can put in the company name. It's optional. You don't need to put in a company name. You can just leave it blank if it's not a company. Email address, as usual, the house address. Then one more thing, you would see a box where it's written, this is a residential address. I would advise you not to click on that, even if it's a residential address, because it adds more to your bill. So I'm trying to show you not just how to do it, but how to do it without incurring much cost. Click on next, then you'll be moved to the page where it says package details. So here you need to just input how many boxes you're trying to ship. If it's one box, you just click on one package. If it's more than one box, you put down the number of boxes. For me, it's a box. Then FedEx always asks for like average weight. You can change that LB to kg if you know the kilogram of what you're trying to carry, but it's always like an estimated weight. It doesn't have to be accurate. Okay, so I'm gonna just put a random weight. I'm gonna put 10, and now we move to the next page. After putting that, they ask for dimensions. You don't really need, it's optional. If you know the dimension of the box, fine. So now this page is very, very important. You need to actually pay attention, because this is where the cost comes in. So now they're asking for the service type, and so now this is where you put in the day you want the shipment to be sent out. So ship dates, you can put, I'm putting March 3rd. Then here you need to scroll down. If you're looking for a very cheap option, make use of end of day FedEx ground. Always make use of end of day FedEx ground. But if it's something you want to do in a hurry, then you need to do the express. Go back here, 1 minute. Yes, FedEx overnight priority. That's the one, and it's one of the most expensive ones. One thing you need to know about the end of the FedEx ground is that it takes approximately 2 days for the goods or for the package to be delivered. Or if you need it delivered urgently, then make use of the FedEx overnight priority. So here next we go to the signature options. So you don't really need, these are service options. If you include adult signature, it will increase whatever price you're going to pay. So if you notice, before I was being charged around $20 something, but now I'm being charged $37 because of the signature. You can see the cost breakdown. $10 added. I'm trying to show you the most affordable way to get this done. So please just click non-specified. You don't really need to add that. The goods will still get delivered to the doorstep of the person you want it delivered to. But if it's something very important, if it's an item that is expensive and very vital, and you want to make sure that who you want it to get to, it gets to that person, then you can take one of the signature options, either for an adult, to make sure an adult gets it, or any other of the options. Then there's an option to hold at the location. This means FedEx will hold the package at the nearest FedEx drop box close to that person's location. Then so we click. After doing this, we just click on next. I'm trying to be as fast as possible because I know most people don't like very long videos. By the way, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe because I have a whole lot of things in stock. Everything you need to do online, I'm going to show you how to do it, and I'm going to walk you through as calmly as possible. Just consider me your tech buddy. It's going to walk you through any single thing you want to do online. And if there's anything you're yet to see a detailed video on how to do it online, you can put it in the comments and I would drop a video on that. So here we are trying to choose the next place is pick up and drop off. So under the pick up and drop off, there's something vital you need to look out for here. So you can either tick on the FedEx drop box closest to your location as a shipper, right? That is, when you pick that option, that means you're going to go take the box there after creating the shipping label and attach it into the box. You take the box to that drop off point, drop it off there, and FedEx will just pick it up and ship it, right? But if you're someone who just wants like stress-free type of shit, sorry, I'm using the word shit. If you want something stress-free, all you need to do is click on. You can click on I've already scheduled a pickup at my location. That is the most stress-free one. But in this video, I'm going to be doing schedule a new pickup. I'm going to be using schedule a new pickup, but it's always best to use I've already scheduled a pickup at my location. And I'll show you in another video how to schedule a pickup without actually even creating. Okay, after you've created your shipping label, I'll show you how to schedule a pickup after creating your shipping label. So, but for this video, I just said that let me show you how to just schedule a pickup while you're at it. So you click on schedule a pickup. You make sure to choose the same date as the shipping day. You can choose a day after it. It all depends on you. Then the earliest possible time. It's very vital that if you want your package picked up and delivered quickly, that you put the earliest possible time to maybe 7 a.m., 8 a.m. Then the latest possible time, please make sure it's 12 p.m. I've done this 8,000 times, and I assure you at different points I've picked 12 p.m. and FedEx would finally pick up at about maybe 4 p.m. or 2 p.m. So it's best you just pick 12 p.m. If you pick anything less than 12 p.m., if you pick 6 p.m., I can assure you it's very likely they are not going to pick up that day. So it's best you pick 12 p.m. So I don't want you making those mistakes that I made already. So if you notice, because you're scheduling a pickup while you're doing creating the shipping label, you would see that your pickup address is already pre-filled at the lower part of this page. So you don't need to add it up here. But I'll show you how to, in my next video, I'm going to show you how to schedule a pickup. And you won't need to put in all this information. All you just need is the tracking number of the shipping label. Don't worry, I'm going to show you in the next video. Okay, so let's go on. So the next page, just click on next, and we're going to notifications. So under notifications, this is where you can put in your email address and enable like shipment notifications. So you want to get notified at each stage of the shipment. When the shipment has been created, like after you're done creating the shipment, you want to get notified like a confirmation email. Then when the package has been picked up, when it has been sent out for delivery, all those stuff, just so you can like track without actually going to put in the tracking address every single time. Then the next page is billing. So this is where you determine what account is charged for this particular shipment. And for most people who already have an account, you just click on my account. Your card is already probably added on there already. Then after this, you click to the next page and you should see finalize. Please, before you click on finalize, run through every single thing you've done. Look at the price, total estimated price, check the price breakdown to see anything that you were not expecting. And yeah, just take a final thorough look at everything before you click on finalize. Okay, just so everything is done correctly. And that is how to set up how to create a shipping label. After you're done with this page, your shipping label would be the next page will show you your shipping label with the a PDF that you can download for printing to put on your package. But because this is just like I'm just making use of random names and addresses, I'm not going to finalize this. Okay, see you next time. Follow this process. If you have any issues, this is the most updated one, most updated process. If you have any issues doing this, please drop it in the comment and I would explain, or if you're lucky, I'll do another video for you. Okay, thank you. I hope I've been a good guide on how to create a shipping label. Do well to watch my other videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Welcome to Click Pilot.